Are you a painting party business owner, maybe a classroom teacher? Do you do large scale murals and you're trying to keep your costs low? Well, if you are, the Creative Inspirations Acrylic line is definitely the line for you to look at. And as far as being able to take it from straight acrylic paint to mediums that can be used to thin your paint down to give you either a nice glossy finish or a matte finish, the Creative Inspirations Acrylic Mediums and Varnishes are definitely what you want to be looking at. The mediums and varnishes come in a convenient 250 milliliter bottle size for just in the studio. And then it's got 1.8 liter jugs for classrooms or murals if you've got a paint party business. The beautiful thing about these, any standard pump will fit right down in there. You can put that on. And then it's very easy to dole out just the amount of medium, whether you want to put it in a cup or on pallets, so that you're not having kids or perhaps people that are there just, having a glass of wine, painting and relaxing, dumping it all over your counters. Now, you might say, but it's acrylic paint, right? Why can't I just thin it down with water? Well, you can to a point, but the integrity of your paint film and the cohesiveness of how those layers are going to fit together and bond properly really needs to be replaced with an actual acrylic product that will help keep that film nice and strong. And also, maybe you like a matte finish. Maybe you like a super glossy finish. This can take your paint, can add extra gloss and shine, but it also can thin it to make it translucent, to make those, beautiful kind of glazing layers. Just a little bit of paint. We can get a really nice thin blue. So that you can actually just, glaze and give that little bit of blue color as opposed to just a regular straight blue. But that's still going to be a nice strong bond. It's acrylic. It's there to go. Now, the other nice thing about these is it's medium and it's varnish in one. You've got the ability to actually go back over this once everything's dry, do a non-removable varnish. That means it's just going to go over it, protect it. It's going to give it either a glossy or matte sheen, depending on what you want, how you want that to look. It's very easy to just take a little bit. This has been dry for a while. Right now that's shiny, but that will provide a nice matte, flat, rich finish over that paint. So the Creative Inspirations Mediums and Varnishes, they're a great economical way to extend your paint, to make it go longer, to also protect your paintings for the future, even, seal a mural on a wall.